Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video, I'm sharing loaded sweet potato or protein loaded potatoes. These stuffed sweet potatoes are versatile and nutritious dish made by baking the sweet potatoes and filling them with various ingredients like meat, cheese, vegetables, beans, etc. Take 2 large sweet potatoes washed and cleaned. Then you can poke holes all over with a fork. Then you can lightly coat with olive oil and sprinkle some salt and bake it for 45 to 60 minutes until it's fork tender. Here I'm showing 2 different methods. And another way you can cut the sweet potatoes into small pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder and a little bit olive oil. Mix it well with your hand and set aside. Here I'm going to bake it in the same tray as the whole sweet potatoes. Spread the diced sweet potatoes and spread it evenly. Then bake it 400 Fahrenheit for these potato will take only 30 minutes. The whole potato takes like 45 to 60 minutes based on the size of the sweet potato. Heat a saucepan, add the minced beef and you can break the meat as it cooks. You can drain any extra grease by tilting the pan, heat it with paper towel, soak up the excess grease and toss it out. Add onion chopped and saute well. Onion powder 1 teaspoon, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, paprika powder 1 teaspoon, salt to your taste. Stir it well. Add little water and give it a mix and let it cook for another 10 more minutes until the meat is fully cooked. Finally, you can add 1 cup of chopped spinach and give it a mix and cook until the spinach are wilted. Mayonnaise 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon sour cream, 1 tablespoon sriracha sauce and 1 teaspoon of mustard paste. You can add salt and pepper to your taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and whisk it well. Halfway remove the baking dish from the oven. Now our diced sweet potatoes are ready. You can remove from the dish. The whole sweet potato you can put back in the oven and cook. Transfer the sweet potato to a serving bowl and then you can layer the prepared meat on top evenly. And you can drizzle the sauce which we prepared on top. Finally, you can garnish with some green onions, coriander leaves and chopped tomatoes. Sweet potato bowl is ready. Now we are waiting for the sweet potato loaded sweet potato boats. For the potato boats, the whole sweet potato is ready. Now we are going to slice into half. Mash the inside with a fork. Top generously with beef mixture and then you can add shredded mozzarella on top. Back in the oven until the cheese is golden and bubbly. Once it's done, you can top it with spoon of sour cream and garnish with chopped green onions, coriander leaves and chopped tomatoes. Here we have two different kinds of loaded sweet potatoes are here ready to serve. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you soon back with another one.